Ever felt overwhelmed by the thought of setting up your own accounting software? Like, is it even possible to do it yourself without drowning in a sea of confusing jargon and endless tutorials? Well, today we're tackling that very question. Can you actually set up Xero on your own? And I'm here to tell you, it's not as daunting as you might think. Let's be real, running a business is a juggling act. You're wearing a million hats, from marketing and sales to customer service and, of course, the dreaded accounting. But accurate bookkeeping is crucial for the health of your business. It helps you track income and expenses, manage cash flow, and make informed decisions. Now, there are tons of accounting software options out there, but Xero is a popular choice for small businesses and freelancers. It's known for its user-friendly interface and cloud-based platform, making it accessible from anywhere, anytime. But here's the burning question. Can you, a non-accountant, actually navigate the setup process yourself? Short answer: yes, absolutely. Xero is designed with the user in mind, and they provide excellent resources to guide you through the initial setup. Let's break it down. 1. The Getting Started Guide. Xero offers a comprehensive Getting Started guide that walks you through the essential steps. It's like having a virtual assistant by your side, guiding you through each stage of the setup. This guide covers everything from creating your organization and adding users to setting up bank feeds and tracking sales and purchases. 2. Xero's Help Center. This is your go-to resource for any questions that arise during setup or beyond. The Help Center is packed with articles, videos, and FAQs covering a wide range of topics. You can easily search for specific issues or browse through categories to find the information you need. 3. Xero's Support Team. If you get stuck or encounter a roadblock, Xero's support team is readily available to assist you. They offer various support channels, including email, phone, and live chat. While you can likely handle most of the setup yourself, having a support team on standby provides peace of mind. Now, let's dive deeper into the key steps of setting up Xero. Creating your organization. This is where you'll provide basic information about your business, such as your company name, address, and contact details. Adding users. You can invite other team members to access your Xero account, granting them specific permissions based on their roles. Setting up bank feeds. This is a game changer. Bank feeds automatically import your bank transactions into Xero, saving you countless hours of manual data entry. Tracking sales and purchases. Xero makes it easy to record invoices, track expenses, and manage your accounts receivable and payable. Tips for a smooth setup. Take your time. Don't rush the process. Setting up Xero properly will save you time and headaches in the long run. Start with the basics. Focus on the essential features first and gradually explore more advanced options as you become more comfortable with the platform. Utilize Xero's resources. Take advantage of the Getting Started Guide, the Help Center, and the support team whenever you need assistance. Practice regularly. The more you use Xero, the more familiar you'll become with its features and functionalities. Let's address some common concerns. I'm not tech-savvy. Can I really do this? Absolutely. Xero's interface is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, even for those with limited technical experience. Will it take a lot of time? The initial setup may require some time and effort, but it will save you significant time in the long run by streamlining your accounting processes. What if I make a mistake? Don't worry. Xero allows you to easily edit and correct transactions. Setting up Xero yourself can be a rewarding experience. It empowers you to take control of your business finances and gain a deeper understanding of your company's financial health. While there will undoubtedly be a learning curve, remember to utilize the resources available to you and don't be afraid to ask for help when needed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.